I'd considered this morning's inquiry merely a formality. I did not expect to find any evidence of carrying to court, but this is a serious matter. You must explain how this child's name came to be written.
She won't answer. That proves she's guilty. She's a witch. She's as good as admitted it. We don't need a jury trial. Put her to the water test. Hanging's too good for her.
Silence! This is the colony of Connecticut. Every man and woman is entitled to a trial before jury. This case will be turned over to the General Session in Hartford. The inquiry is dismissed.
Hold on a minute, Captain. There's a fellow here who says he's an important witness for the case.
Take her out of here. The witch will put an evil eye on her.
Stand back. The child is protected here. Where is the witness?
Oh, please, sir, let them take her away. It is all my fault. I would do anything to undo it if I could. I never meant any harm, but I am responsible for all of it. Please, take me to Hartford. Do anything you want with me. Oh, but please, I beg you, take Prudence away from this horrible place.
'Tis a trifle late to think about the child. Come here, child. Will you sit there, child, in front of the table? We would ask you some questions, Prudence. You will answer them as truthfully as you possibly can. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you know this young woman?
Oh, yes, sir. She is my teacher. She taught me to read.
You meet at Dame's school.
No, I never went to dance school.
Then where did she teach you?
At Hannah's house in the meadow.
You mean Mistress Tyler took you to Hannah Tupper's house?
The first time she took me there. After that, I went by myself.
The little weasel. That's where she spent all those days. I'll see that girl hung.
Have you ever seen this book before?
Oh, yes, sir.
That's a lie. The child is bewitched.
Is it true? The child wrote her own name in this book.
'Tis true. I wrote it for her once, and then she copied it.
You can't take her word for anything, sir. The child don't know what she's saying. I might as well tell it. Prudence has never been what you call bright. She could never learn much.
Could you write your name again, do you think?
I think so, sir.
Is that proper writing? Prudence Cruft, does it say? Right hand as it should?
Very proper writing, I should say, for a child with no learning. Now, Prudence, you say that Mistress Tyler taught you to read. What sort of reading?
Magic, signs, and spells, I tell you. The child would never know the difference.
That at least will be easy to prove. What can you read, child?
I can read the Bible.